Imagine this. Your car is parked. You're inside a store for just 5 short minutes, and someone clips your bumper or leaves a deep dent in your vehicle and drives off. Boy, it happens more often than you know. It happened to my son too. He came out of the store and saw a huge dent in the passenger door. No note, no witness, no proof. Hit and runs happen all the time. So what can you do about it? Well, you can call your insurance company, right? And then pay the huge deductible and get it fixed. Or maybe you just get stuck paying the entire bill yourself out of pocket for someone else's mistake. So to prevent anything like that happening to me, I started using the 70mai A810 Lite. It's the best value 4K plus 4G connected dash cam that's designed to protect you and your family, even when you're nowhere near your car, because it records front and rear cameras even when you're not in your vehicle, and records any impact too. So today I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, how it installs, and how it performs, and why this little device might be the thing that actually saves you money after an accident. The 70mai A810 Lite dash cam is super compact, modern, clean, and a low-key safety device. It blends right into your windshield without blocking your view whatsoever. You get true 4K recording from the front camera and 1080p from the rear camera. It gives you full coverage of your vehicle. It also supports 4G connectivity, which provides remote monitoring, instant alerts, and GPS tracking. And you can also record an emergency watch. Installation is super simple. You just wipe down your windshield with alcohol, press the static film firmly on the glass, and then you use the tool that's included to tuck the cables neatly into the trim of your vehicle for a real hidden OEM style look. And then plug in the power cables. Super simple, anyone can do it. And once the cameras are mounted, you just open up the app, pair it, connect it, and you're ready to go. No complicated setups. The app has lots of features too. Or you can push the buttons on the camera itself for all the features. Now let's talk about what really matters. It's the video quality. I've had other dash cams before, but this image quality is superb. Daytime footage is crisp, detailed, and sharp. Thanks to the 4K HDR sensor, you can clearly read license plates too. And street signs and road markings, even at a distance. Oh, and at night too, it's superb. The A810 Lite switches to super night vision with an EF 1.55 large aperture, pulling in more light. So headlights, shadows, and dark roads stay well balanced and visible. You know, one blurry frame can cost you thousands. 4K isn't just about looking better, it's about capturing real, tangible proof. Since the chip that's included records when you start your car, if there's anything whatsoever, any kind of an impact or collision, you got proof. Don't worry, when the chip is full, it writes right over it, foolproof. And you'll be protected when your car is parked. The built-in 4G allows your dash cam to stay connected even when your car is off. What that means is instant parking alerts. If someone hits your car, you get a notification right away. You can open up your smartphone app and see what's happening around your vehicle anytime. The 4G hardware kit allows your dash cam to stay connected even when your car is off. So you can open the app and see exactly what's happening around your vehicle anytime in real time on your smartphone. So if you ever wanted a dash cam, this is the one to get. The design is compact and discreet. No bulky camera that's hanging down to block your view. The app is fast and easy. Chips load quickly, and the settings are real simple to use. Anyone can do it. This is a great 4K camera without the premium price. The 70mai A810 Lite. It's one of the best value options ever. This can actually save you money now and even after an accident, because you want real clear documentation, and you'll get it now if you have an accident. One blurry frame can cost you thousands. 4K isn't just about looking better, it's about capturing real proof. So if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and check the links in the description for more details so you can get yourself one and protect you and your family. Get ready to save big with up to 47% off on your favorite products from June 23 to the 26th only on Prime Day. Limited time offer.